What's up, everybody? Welcome to Claiming Christianity. We have yet another unboxing. I like to do these unboxings. These days, I honestly don't know what's in here, other than that I know it's from HarperCollins. A month or two ago, I had a few Bibles on the way, and a lot of them have been, the reason that you haven't seen them is because the shipping has been pushed back, or the production of the Bibles, because they're pretty new, has been pushed back. So they're starting to show up now and will show up over the next couple of months, and I'm going to review it for you. So without further ado, let's see what's in this box. We have trusty old Swiss Army knife, right? Never leave home without it. So what I do know is it's from HarperCollins. HarperCollins is like the parent company, right? So I have a slight idea, because there's 4 or 5 supposed to show up in the next couple of months, but let's take a look here. All right, packaging is good. I know that sounds funny, but it's always nice when they put extra packaging in. Ooh. So, the Jesus Bible. Okay, so this is an ESV. I'm excited because I didn't know what was in here, so I contacted Zondervan and asked them if I could get a copy. So here's what we're looking at here. This is the Jesus Bible. Okay, it is in dark green, genuine leather. And I believe, because I did a little research when I first looked at this, that a lot of this is put together by Giglio. Yeah, introductions to some of the features. Introductions to the Bibles are through Giglio, and they highlight the story of Jesus in every book. So it looked really unique. There's some really nice artwork on here. So let's open it up. Ooh. Wow. Nice job. So this is genuine leather, and I've said this a couple of times lately. The quality of the genuine leather that's coming out is really pretty nice, and it's floppy. It's much floppier than it has been in the past. We will do a full review on this, so that's not what this is. This is just a quick unboxing and look. It smells good. Man, that's really pretty on the front there. Jesus Bible. And it does, a quick look here, you guys know that I'm going to take a look at this. It does have 3 ribbons, solid. So this is the ESV translation, English Standard Version, the Jesus Bible, put out by Zondervan. And they've done a lot of work here. We're going to go through this in the next week or so I can do a solid review for you guys. This is just a quick look at a couple of what's showing up and what's to come. And we'll go through it and let you know what makes this different. It's put out by Zondervan. I want to thank Zondervan for sending this to me so I can review it for you guys. Stay tuned. It'll probably take me about 2 weeks to go through it. So in the next couple of weeks, there will be a full review of this English Standard Version the Jesus Bible, put out by Zondervan. Looking forward to showing this to you guys. Hope you have a great day.